In this video, we're going to go over how to add dimmer switches to your project using the AleoBlue app. To add the dimmer switch, navigate to the zone and tap Devices on the app inside of your zone. Tap the arrow to the right of any of the listed devices and tap the slider next to EnOcean to sync the dimmer switch. The app will automatically open your camera. When that happens, scan the QR code on the back of the dimmer switch to sync it. If this app is blocked from using your camera, a window will pop up asking if you'd like to adjust the settings to allow access to your camera in the AleoBlue app. Click Settings and allow access. Once access is allowed, open the app again and go to your project, area, zone, and devices to get back to the EnOcean slider so you can scan the QR code with your camera. Now the dimmer switch is synced to your fixtures. For single rocker, press down on the switch to turn the lights off. Press up on the switch to turn the lights on. To adjust the brightness or dimness, press and hold the up or down buttons. For the double rocker switch, the left rocker has the same function as the single rocker. The right rocker can be used to deploy scenes. Press up to activate scene A and press down to activate scene B. If utilizing the scheduling function with either a gateway or in-node scheduling, the dimmer switches will operate differently. Dimmer switches will essentially become scene selectors. Please watch our video on dimmer switches with scheduling for more information.